Francesco Curradi or Currado was born November 15, 1570, died 1661, was an Italian painter of the style described as Counter-Maniera or Counter-Mannerism, born and active in Florence. He trained under Giovanni Battista Naldini and in 1590 matriculated in the Accademia del Disegno, Florence. His first independent works from 1597 to 1598 were for churches in Volterra, including that in the Colleoni chapel of the local Duomo. He helped paint the frescoes of the Fame Exalting Michelangelo, c. 1616-1617, for the Casa Buonarroti.
You